Hello, welcome to Nordmela again. It's very nice weather, but it's northern wind, and I'm going to pack. I'm going to try to make a tarp tent, try to fish a little bit. My father and my brother has gone by over here, so be right back. Here we are with by the Nordmela water, and we are ready to fish. I got my rod out. My father has his rod out here, and we are on a beach. We are going to make a campfire and set up a little bit a tarp tent. My brother, he agrees. Very nice weather today. It's good with the wind, so the flies are blowing away. Thank you. So we have built a tarp shelter, and we're going to install the Gstove inside. There's a little bit of break here because it was kind of exhausting. The tarp is too small for covering the whole, so we are going to continue building it. My father has gotten one fish. So we are quite happy here. It's warm and sunny. I'm going to check my rod. I'm going to install the Gstove, and yes, we are back. And we have gotten one fish. My father has gotten one fish, and that's the only one. And here we have made a tarp tent with the Gstove, and kind of the tent poles here. I had a vision to make this, but it's kind of a little bit improvement here, or improvisations. So I just had to use some of the pipe to support, get the tarp out of the way for the heat, and then I used the heat protector on the pipe and the baker oven there. So can't really use the water tank now, but cannot just boil water on the oven instead, so it will go good. So yes, we will try this, and I will come back to you. So we're kind of here on the beach. Yes, just enjoying the nice weather. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Okay, we will be back. So we have gotten the fire running. The smoke is very nice. So it's functioning. It's kind of improvised. And also how the fire improved the mat here. So it's a improvised tarp shelter. You know, it doesn't rain now, so it's just, yeah, it's creative. If it had been raining, it would have shelter for the rain. Maybe made a little bit heat inside there. So yeah, I had to use the pipe there to support, to get the tarp away from the pipe. But I think this will go good. So yeah, we have to use your imagination. Here's my rod. My father got one fish. I want to check the worms on the bait. Here we are on kind of the other side of the water, the northwestern side. Kind of old little place here. I've gotten fish here too many times. It's very nice. Okay, we'll be back.
So you have my brother. Let's go into his tent. They made this really nice tent with, looks like it's burning, but it's not. There's a lot of smoke. He thinks he's an Indian, but that's kind of cool, so it's okay.
You come on, film inside here.
So this is inside the tent.
Primitive stuff. They're smoking good, and it's fire burning quite well now. So let's get some more air to it. Yeah, so you're going to cook some food here afterwards. And yeah, it looks like the protection is working well. I got the tarp a little bit higher. So the tarp was a little bit too small for these tent poles, but you can always get a bigger tarp. So kind of done its purpose, just to make a little bit of a shed protection. My brother is filming. Yeah, it's burning quite well. I just have to get some more firewood. Get the temperature going. So this is not hot at all. So it's going okay. Yes, it's just a primitive, creative tarp shelter. So it will keep some of the warmth, and it will keep you a shelter from the rain. Hello, I'm back, and here we have a campfire going. I'm also here starting to cook. So kind of trouble of the one side of the pipe is falling down. It's kind of a problem. So I'm warming the green potatoes in here, and the baking oven is 150 degrees. So I just have to get this hot. Because the baking oven is so low, I can't use the water heater. So it kind of sucks, but just have to improvise. And here we have kind of get some draft here. Maybe we can blow a little bit. Oh yes, there we go. Yes, very nice. So we just go to cook now and eat. Make some chicken nuggets with green potatoes and garlic bread. Yes. Yes, so we are. It's about 8:45. So I'm trying to get I forgot the butter or the oil, so I don't have oil or butter for the chicken. That's I think it will go okay. So you just have to wait for the baking oven to get to the temperature, and then yeah, the green potatoes are doing well in the hot water. So it's okay. Putting in some firewood. Yes, it's smoking good. Right back. Yeah, so this chicken nuggets are frying in its own fat. It's okay. The green potatoes are a little bit cold now, so I want to start and make the garlic bread. So I put garlic bread inside. Temperature fell 25 degrees with 150, it's quite okay. So. Oh! It's kind of prosoric. So, kind of using this extra pipe to keep the tarp away from the oven. It's functioning very good. So soon you can eat. I'll be back. You see here it's just delicacy. Not really. Yeah, we're having fun. It's nice. Yes, there's a little bit wind now. The temperature fell a little bit. So just got some more firewood inside. To boil these one a little bit more. So get them warm. The garlic bread are doing okay. So we're back. Oh my God. Yay! At least I got a fish.
Beautiful.
It's okay, so I got one small fish. And I think the garlic bread are now finished. It's 150 degrees. And to warm the, yeah, that looks very good. And yeah, trying to warm this again. A little cold. These are okay, I think. And here we have, yeah, it's going quite good inside. And it's cooking great here. So, yes, I want to take out the breads. I want to eat food. Made food for my brother.
Yeah, I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten all day. So
yes.
This is like a 5-star meal.
Yeah, bon appetit.
Yes, thank you very much.
Very, very nice.
Then you have a...
I think we have some guests here. Yeah, but we're still going to leave them alone, I think. Yeah, so here's my meal. So my father and my brother has gotten it. So it's empty here. A little bit cream potato left. Yes. A little bit garlic bread. Bon appetit. Clock is 9:30. Still sunny and nice. I've gotten 2 fishes. I've gotten the small one. Papa has got a big one. I wanted to show you the tarptent on the other side. Let's go to put those stones here. Like that. So this is the other side. I kind of have 5 tent poles, which I have just put the tarp over. Then I made a hole for the pipe here for the Gstove. And the protection for the pipe for the tarp is working. Yes, the fire went out, so I just had to reignite it. Ja, den var ikke så verst.
Viser det funker.
Hope it reignites here.
Very nice sausages making.
My brother likes to eat.
Number 1, making good food out in the nature.
Yeah, it's okay. So I just have to get more firewood. My father went over to another place to get bigger fish. Yeah, so the sausages are soon finished. And the temperature has risen quite good. So I got fire is going very nice in here. A bit of draft here. So I think I'm going to cook myself some coffee. This one is just, it's kind of manageable, but It's just me trying to be creative here. You see here, kind of like a Viking teepee kind of tarp tent, backed up with stones. Yeah, it's nice. Yes. So I got the fire going again. Got some dry wood on. And my brother has moved into the tarp tent. My father is over there trying to fish bigger fish. Maybe he has something on. There is some music from Nordmela. They have some party of some sort. It's a Saturday today. So I have to check my rod. So I'm getting fish. So I have on the coffee. I want to show you some cloudberries after this. How do you like it? It's okay?
Yeah, it's really warm. It's around maybe 5 or 6 degrees more inside here.
Yeah. You don't get the wind either, so.
Yes, it's really cold outside, but inside here it's actually really comfortable.
Yeah, nice.
So I like it.
Very nice.
Just need to wait for the coffee.
Yeah, the coffee is cooking soon. So I'm just going to put it on. Ever good.
It's a great place to be right now.
Yes, it is. So ever good. Here we are up on the marsh. So you see here the sun. It's going to be a great midnight sun tonight. So that tourists are just going to go crazy. So this is the Viking land and the whale safari land and the cloudberry land. Actually, Andøya is the biggest marshland in Norway. It's kind of quite unique. Biotops here. You see the water. My tarp tent is down there. So yeah, it was very nice. My father seems he's watching me. I'm over there. Should be harvestable now. So there we have some here. Yes, look here. Here they are. Just standing here to get eaten. Yes. These are in their best. Full of vitamin C. So, yes, go to pick one. There you have it. Beautiful, straight from the marsh. Delicious. You know, this with cream or ice. You can also make liquor out of this. So, yeah. There's another one. This one is not ready yet. Oh my god. You know, I didn't like these berries before, but now it just... Yeah, yes, I got the fire going again. So, do some good old ling, dry ling. Here it goes. Just have to close it. So, had a coffee on. My brother is sitting here still, just relaxing.
So waiting for the coffee.
He's waiting for a coffee.
Finished. And
there's a bowl.
Yeah, and the mosquitoes are biting me in my head.
Yeah, the campfire is over there.
They're everywhere.
Here and there and everywhere. So, yes. So it will become for coffee some. So make coffee and a little bit more small wood inside the oven. I'm trying to warm some water through, just trying to make some washing water. And, yeah.
Yes, marvelous.
Marvelous. Yes. We will be back. So we're going to go over to my father over there. I wanted to catch some bigger fish. I only gotten 2 here, I only gotten 1. I'll take with me the rod with a dip. And we'll leave our camp for now. Kinda worked out that, but it's primitive. Yeah, I tror all halfway over to my father now. So just over there is the camp. Midnight sun. So here's another small beach. It's kind of here in the north side. There's most of those small beaches. So now it's 11:30. So it's soon midnight. It's kind of rare, it's so little fish biting on the beach. This is a much better fishing place over here. But it's not like there. The water. Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa. Cloudberries all over the place. Oh my God, look here. It's full. Everywhere. Oh my God. It's just orange. Cloudberry heaven. So here we are. Har du fått noe fisk her? One fish?
Jeg heiv han ut.
Han kan være liten. Og små
Og
fisk.
det som jeg kaller for spekt.
Midnight sun.
Det hørte jeg fisk.
Much more windy here. Mosquito. So here's the famous midnight sun of northern Norway. Yeah.
Look at that fantastic.
Very nice.
Ja, så går det på lava. Det er ikke noe godt å hoppe.
Oh, laks.
Ja, det var laks. Der. Jeg så den ut av vannet. Har du fulgt den?
Yes, also salmon.
Det er ganske langt ut på den. Ja, det er jo så på den nedstrand.
Here we are. I want to pick some. There. And there. And there. And there. And there. And there. And there. down there. That took me about 1 minute. Very nice. I usually pick a couple of kilos here, I think.
Det er noe annet som er at du handler med vannet.
Sett da. Har da.
Det er bare...
Ja. Åh, fin. Steikfisk.
Når den etter sånn der, da begynner den å bli bitt sånn når du drar på, setter på
Ja, ja.
dobbe. Vi kan ta noe klart. Ja, jeg tar det klart. Ta på havet.
Åh! Han fær hvis ikke du tar ham. Ta han, Kristian. Oh my god. Yes, I've thrown out my rod with the dip here just to test. So it's I'm not going to fire any more wood into the oven. Going to take it down and pack it. So my dip is over here someplace. There it is. I think it's too close to the land. I'll have to throw it out again. Going. That's I'm going to start to go over and pack over here. So I think my Gstove is done. Ska vi sätta länge här? Yes. So I'm back at the camp on the beach. I just got the fire going, campfire to warm up the coffee. So disassembling the tarp tent. So this worked very good. The tarp protection just went before them. Just to start packing. Yeah. So I just got one fish today. Just not much, but better than nothing, I guess. Yes, everything is disassembled. Yes, my brother and father is helping me.
Fantastic.
Yes. Beautiful. 10 out of 10.
Yes.
No, I'm very tired. I have to pack.
We have seen some salmons up jumping
Yes.
out of the water.
And I got one fish, he got 4. Yes. Be right back. So I'm up with the car and we have finished our fishing trip. It's 1:15 in the night. So it just was a lot of packing and then just left. Okay. Goodbye. Subscribe to my channel if you like it.